If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform a denim patch like this that I already made and spruce them up into these lovely blingy rhinestone patches that you can use for multiple reasons, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own blingy luxury denim patches. And I'm going to be using some quick hold E6000, but eventually I'll switch to a different glue because that one got dried out. So I'm adding some 6mm rhinestones onto this patch. Now this is the Chanel logo, and I ironed this onto this denim piece of denim fabric. I already had it cut out with my Silhouette Cameo. I also have pre-cut vinyl. If you don't have your own vinyl, I have pre-cut vinyl on my website, myroyalradiance.com. I have it available in multiple different colors. So I ironed that on. I did a video showing how to do this a while ago, but I'm adding some rhinestones to it just to show you how you can take it up another level. So these are some rhinestones I had from a very long time ago. So they're rather large. I think I got these off eBay. I have rhinestones available on my website, but they're mainly 5mm rhinestones. I also did some patches like this also, but I used 6mm pearls, and they were really pretty. So I'm using a wax pickup tool to pick up the rhinestones because it makes it so much easier to do. I have those available on my website as well. But if you don't want to get them from my website, they're also on eBay and they're on Amazon as well. And they're called wax picker tool or wax rhinestone pickup tool. So there's multiple ways that you can find that. Now also, this is just some simple older jeans that I had that no longer fit. And I just decided to cut them up in these little square patches. And I've used these, this whole idea before on a pair of Crocs, and it turned out like really cute. And I've also made patches like this, and I put them on my daughter's winter coat. That also came out really cute. And towards the end of this video, I'll show you how I use one of my DIY patches I made on a wine bottle. And I do have a video of that uploaded if you didn't check it out. It's pretty different. So the first one is finished, and it doesn't take long at all. So this is a LV inspired logo that I do have available as well. With this one, I'm using a white rhinestone. So it's a white AB rhinestone, which means it has that very pretty iridescent color to it. So I'm just basically using the vinyl. I'm just tracing rhinestones on the vinyl. It's very simple. This glue that I'm using here is called B7000. So I got that off Amazon, and that's basically just a knockoff of E6000. E6000 is actually better, but it has a more harsher smell. But I do like the tip on the B7000 glue because it's like a very pointy tip, and the top has a point to put on the inside of it, so it basically the nozzle never really gets clogged. So I'm just going to finish up putting these 5mm rhinestones on here. And the patches are, let's see, this iron-on patch right here is about, let's say, 1.5 inches wide and maybe 2.5 inches to 2 inches in length. So it's a really cute little decent size. The cool thing about this too is you don't just have to use like this darker denim wash that I have. If you have like some cute pink jeans, or if you have like a green pair of jeans, or then you can use like any color vinyl you want. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these patches, and they are very simple and easy to make. Now, once you let them dry and the glue cures on the rhinestones, you can go ahead and add these to a coat, a purse, shoes, Crocs, and look at this. This is a patch that I made, and I covered up the logo with 6mm pearls, and I put it on a wine bottle. Now I know the edges aren't cut straight up across, and I didn't want it that way. I wanted it more frayed on the edges. And my aunt absolutely loved that bottle because she likes to collect wine bottles. So this was a fairly easy and simple DIY to make. And I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you get maybe some cool ideas on how you can do something like this, especially if you do Crocs. That will be very beneficial and a complete game changer, especially for customization reasons. You can just add on your customers' logos, their names, basically whatever you want them to say. So I hope you did enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, share it on Facebook, and thank you guys so much for watching, and also Happy New Year. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.